Okey Dokeys!
In this video, we're going to cover how to crochet in rows, starting from a slipknot, making a foundation chain, and working through the following rows. Let's get started. First, we'll begin with a slipknot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers and insert the hook into the loop. Once the slipknot is on the hook, we'll create the foundation chain by yarning over and pulling through the loop. Repeat this for as many chains as your project requires. After your foundation chain is ready, turn your work and insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through to make a single crochet stitch. Continue this all the way down the row until you get back to the beginning. Once you're at the end of your row, chain one and flip your work around. Now, crochet back across the row, inserting the hook into every single stitch. That's how you crochet in rows. With practice, you'll be able to create scarves, blankets, and more. Keep practicing your rows, and soon you'll be ready for more advanced projects.